So this is me, Shania, and we're going to have a slime video, and I'm going to show you all my slime. And also, please smash that subscribe button down below, and please give us comments down below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is my purple slime. It used to be blue, but now it's turned purple. Cause I use glitter in this. That's why it's really purplish. So I will just show you something. This will not really stretch a lot, but it is really good. And then it farts. Oh, this is stretchy. So the ingredients I put in this. So first, of course, I would put glue, but I did clear glue. I have a jumbo box of that. And then I added cornstarch. And then I have this blue colorant, and I put it in this, and it was. And then I mixed it all up really good. And I put Tide in it. And then after a while, I used to play with it all day. But now I added pink glitter and purple glitter nail polish. So this is like really stretchy and really purple. Next slime coming up. Gotta put this back where it belongs. My bestest slime I just made today. So I'm gonna, get this out. Okay, so this is my green color slime. And it's really, really good because I made it today and I really like the slime. So first for this slime, I made clear glue for this. And then I added cornstarch, and then I added green color paint, but I added too much and then it turned so dark I didn't like that color. And then I got the white paint, and then I got some in there, and it turned only a teensy bit light. I wondered what else could it make it light, so like really good color of green. Then I took out the yellow because it was also light. I didn't want the blue. I thought it'll get different colors, so I took out the yellow, and then I put a lot of yellow, and then like when I was mixing it, it's like a new open door came in. I mean like a new color came in, like this new green color. And it's actually, I really like that. So I stirred it up really good. I really liked it. And then I put Tide in it, of course, because Tide is the strongest activator, I think, because I haven't seen more than... Okay, moving on to next slime. Ooh, this is clear, see? It's really clear. Oh, wow. I don't even remember making this. I think I put clear glue. Yeah, and I didn't have any cornstarch. Instead, I just put lotion. It's really not good because it doesn't stretch that much. It only stretches half. You have to put so much force in that. It's like really not, you can't really poke it. I call it the Boca Locas. Okay, I'm putting the slime back since it's not good. for watching my video.